Welcome back to another Algebra 2 Easy video. Yesterday we talked about how to graph trig functions on your calculator. Today we're going to talk about how do we graph trig functions using Desmos. So today we're going to graph sine, cosine, and tangent on the closed interval of negative 2 pi to 2 pi. First, we're going to go online and go to desmos.com. Once you've gone to desmos.com, you're going to click on Graphing Calculator. And here's where we can type in our function. We're going to type in y equals, and then we're going to graph a cosine function. Now you can either type in cos for cosine, or you can click on the show keypad, and then over here to the right you have a functions option. And you'll see trig functions are the first thing that are going to pop up. Let's click on cosine, and then we're just going to type in x, so cosine of x. Now the graph automatically appears to the right, and it looks like the cosine function, but it's not the numbers that we're used to seeing on the axes. So what we're going to do is over here, click on the wrench, which says graph settings, and we're going to change it to degrees because that's what we've been working with. Now, we said we were going to be graphing these on the closed interval of negative 2 pi to 2 pi. I'm going to switch that to degrees, so we're going to say negative 360 degrees to positive 360 degrees. Now step means what are you going to count by? How do you want to count on your x-axis? And let's count by 90 degrees. Now your y-axis isn't as important, but for sake of making the graph look good, let's make it negative 2 to 2. And let's count by 0.5. And then I can close this, and as you can see, now we have a cosine function, 90 degrees, 180, 270, and 360. And there's our cosine function. And then you can adjust your cosine function. Let's say we want it to have a vertical shift of negative 2. And as you can see, there you go. The graph shifted down from a midline at 0 to a midline at negative 2. Or let's take that away and let's give it an amplitude of 3. So this is a really fast way for you to see how the cosine function changes with changes in its period, amplitude, and phase shift. Let's graph sine. Y equals, this time I'm just going to type it, sine of x. Now I may need to zoom in a little, or there we go, move my window just a little bit. There we go. 0, 90, 180, 270, and 360. Now the most exciting one to see will be the tangent function. Let's graph that. Y equals tangent of x. And if I zoom out, you can see that these tangent functions travel infinitely towards positive infinity and towards negative infinity. And again, you can make any adjustments that you want. Let's zoom back in here so we can see it a little bit better. Let's change this to tangent of 2x. You see the function has a period of 90 degrees. So period of 180, period of 90. Desmos is a fast and quick way to graph not only tangent functions, but any function you could possibly need. Hope this helps. Don't forget to check back tomorrow to see who the winner is of the calculator giveaway. Bye!